Assalamualaikum Azati. Today we have interesting news to be announced and discussed. So here we have many guests. We have developer from Malaysia Railway Sinar Berhad, Ms. Ayu and Ms. Hoshana. Then we have Ms. Hira from government sector, and also Ms. Hazima, our local people from Mentakap.
New railway lines will be constructed in Mentakap to Port Klang, which is East Coast Rail Link Project Section C. The new railway lines is expected to be 41.5 kilometers and takes only about 1 hour from Mentakap to Port Klang. With the construction of new railway lines can avoid traffic congestion at peak hours that usually takes about 2 hours from Mentakap to Port Klang. It also can increase the employment opportunities for people, and it can encourage people to use public transport.
Ms. Ayu, can you explain a little bit how and when the railway lines project expected to be done?
Thank you, Ms. Fatin, for the questions, and welcome to all guests that are here today. I would like to start my explanation about our principal project activities, which divided by 3 main stages, which is prerequisite construction, and also operation construction. But what I would like to share with you guys is our main details within our construction, which is the tunnel construction main, and also the illustration tracks and system. For the tunnel construction, we propose only the longest tunnel, which is in Lengging, and will be constructed using a tunnel boring machine, TBM, at the ends of the tunnel, following which the TBM will be used to advance the tunnel more. And next is for the station construction. The construction proposed will involve the preparatory earthwork, which the substructure works with the superstructure works, and also together with infrastructure works achieve the design platform levels, and also at areas where important earth is required. Lastly is about the installation of tracks and system, and the signaling, train safety and controlling operations together with the system will totally ensure for the safe train separation and functionality, and allows the trains to travel at maximum consistent and speed safely. And also after the installation itself of this component, testing and commissioning will be carried out in order to survey and do more details about this construction.
As a government agency, tell us on what are the analyses that need to be considered in terms of environment aspects and reported in EIA documents.
Thank you for the amazing question from the newsreader. As a government agency, the analysis that is considered are landscape analysis, analysis of living environment and people's health, and analysis of climate, energy, and economizing resources. In terms of landscape analysis, it is the early stage of planning phase to construct a railway track. Landscape analysis consists of various aspects, which is geology, topography, land use, vegetation, physical structure and ecological context, and many more. For instance, railway track area should be convenient and not disturbing the route of a regular road traffic. Besides that, the railway construction area must be convenient area for the construction without the need to deforest and harming any flora and fauna. Second is analysis of living environment and people's health. It is an important factor in analysis of living environment and people's health are air quality, noise and vibration, structure-borne noise, and electromagnetic radiation. Standard and target values are significant, and environmental quality standard for air quality must always be discussed in the EIA, which is Environment Impact Assessment. Lastly, analysis of climate, energy, and economizing resources. It is vital due to the material consumption and energy used in the production of railway are responsible for the largest climate impact. The measures should be done in the early planning phase so that it provides a good opportunity to influence the climate impact.
How do government agency make sure the railway lines project less likely become controversy and ensure public involvement process to follow requirement and also procedure?
Thank you once again for the question from the newsreader. As the government, we make sure the Environment Impact Assessment EIA do their job correctly, which is by following the requirement and procedure. Firstly, EIA must deal with cumulative impact of the project. They should show how a project changes the existing environment along with other ongoing earlier and future operation and measures. Secondly, EIA must explain to the public, reviewing authorities, decision makers, corporate promoters, and other project participants what is the consequence of this project will be and the different alternative being studied. Lastly, EIA must make sure must make possible an overall assessment of what significance the different impact that may arise could have for people's health, environment, and the management of land and water areas.
Hi, I am Myra. I am representing my NGO Kita Bina Negara Malaysia. And firstly, I have a question to the government agency. When you guys first time hearing about this project, what is your reaction? What do you think that this project going to bring to Malaysia, and how does it help in developing this country?
Thank you for the wonderful question. Firstly, as the government agency, I really want the best for Malaysia, and let me tell you how this project help in a better development of Malaysia. Firstly, building railway lines give a great employment opportunity. As you can see, due to the impact of COVID-19, Malaysia's unemployment rate hit 5.3% in May. It is the highest level in more than 3 decades. The railways provide employment opportunity for both skilled and unskilled labor. By this, we could be able to reduce the poverty due to unemployment. As a conclusion, when a transport system are efficient, they provide economic and social opportunities and benefit that result in positive multiplier effects such as better accessibility to the market, employment, and additional investment.
Thank you for the answer. And for the developer, what is the significant potential impact due to the project activity?
Significant potential impacts consist of 3 stages: pre-construction stage, construction stage, and operation stage. The potential impacts for pre-construction stages are land and property acquisition issues and utilities relocation, soil erosion, sedimentation, water pollution, air pollution, noise and vibration, flooding, waste generation, ecological impacts, social impacts, and traffic congestion and public safety are the construction stage impacts. And for operation stage, the impacts are water pollution, waste generation, noise and vibration, flooding, air pollution, ecology, socioeconomic, traffic, public safety, and greenhouse gas emission. To the NGO parties, how far you can commit and give a hand together in build on and improving the interest of the community to support this development of railway construction.
Thank you for the question. Yes, our NGO KBNN is really committed in building Malaysia today. My answer is KBNN will give 100%. We will give our best in bringing this project to the community, because we are so sure that this is going to help so many people from Mentakap to Port Klang. And it is our job to introduce Malaysian people to this project, explain it to them its benefit, so that they can give a big acceptance to it. And we are going to do it through so many campaigns. Assalamualaikum, my name is Hazima. I am the head village of Kampung Lompat. So today I am bringing the voice and the concern of my people about this project. So there is a certain issue that had arisen about this project, which is the guarantee. So the people need a guarantee from the developer about these new railway lines that you guys are about to build are not going to affect us in any chance by physically or mentally. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the NGO for these questions. And for the questions, we always put the safety first. And we already plan our work content and job classification according to this construction, and we give priority to train safety and personal safety first. And for the safety must be in the track construction on running railway line, and therefore the protections and scheduling work should be carefully planned and make sure that during a window time the track is clear and all the workers need to be cordoned of the operation line. And also for the study technology and safety measures seriously, and we also develop emergency plans and also the safety drills in order to secure our planning regarding to the safety of the community around.
I would like to know your opinion regarding this railway development and EIA generally.
Yes, thank you. So we are the community of Kampung Lompat in Mentakap actually already aware about this project. And our opinion is that it is a very good thing that here we have a new railway lines that I believe going to give us so many benefits. It's just that there are also a few people here who is stating their concern about the construction, because it is such a big scale project that we're afraid that it's going to affect us in negative ways like air pollution or noise pollution. They're going to give impact into our life. Also, we are concerned about our health, which is there going to be any structural noise or electromagnetic radiation happen? Yeah, but whatever it is, I hope that the government and the developer already have a solution for this concern.
Thank you to our participant.
Good evening and thank you.